Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, well, for starters, happy October and yay, Halloween looks. This year I decided I am going to participate because last year, like, it was sort of a last minute thing and I didn't think it through, so it was just like whatever came to mind. But this year I was like, no. This time I'm playing the game. For the first look that I decided that I wanted to recreate is this like reptile kind of look, because I love like the look of the scales and everything. So I was like, why not try to do something similar to a reptile? So that's the first look that we're going for. I will show you step by step how I achieved this look, and I will list all the products in the description area for you to check out in case you want to recreate this look too. But yeah, enough talking. I'm excited. Let's just get into it. Okay, so now for the orange and red colors, I'm going to be using my box of crayon palette, and I'm going to use the color orange first and then go in with the red. Now I'm just going to apply with like a big brush. It doesn't really matter. I don't really know anything about different naming types of brushes and stuff like that, so we're just gonna wing it the way we bestly can. Okay, so now that I've gone ahead and I've added the red and orange to my forehead and to the side of my face, what I'm going to do first is my eyebrows. Well, actually, no, we're going to do the black first. So I have an old fishnet stocking that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to put that over my head and then honestly just trace, well, not trace, but kind of like pat down the black over it. Alright, so I actually added way too much black than I intended to, but I'm just gonna leave it anyway. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going to use a mixture of concealer, and I'm also going to use the orange and red as like a cream base kind of thing. I don't know.
Perfect.
Alright, so now that I did my eyebrows with the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and add the eyeshadow to my brows. So to do that, I'm just going to apply that with a small brush.
Perfect.
So now I'm going to go in with Black Radiance's Bold and Sexy Liquid Eyeliner. So now I'm going to go into the box of crayons palette and use the black color underneath my waterline. I added my lashes and I used House of Lashes. This is the Allura Lite. So now I'm just going to add a little highlight to the under part of my brow, and then we'll get onto the lips and we should be almost done. So for the highlight, I am using Glow Off, and this is in the Bold and Sexy palette by Black Radiance. Now for the lips, I'm going to use a combination of Huda Beauty's Cinco de Mayo and also their lip strobe, and this is in the color Ritzy. So it's these two.
Perfect.
Because it's too red for me, so now I'm gonna go in with like maybe a brownish color and then see how it looks from there. If not, I'm just gonna wipe it off and then start all over. But I'm gonna go back into that Huda Beauty palette and use this brown color and use that kind of like an ombre kind of effect, but we'll see how it looks first. Then I'm just gonna go in with the orange color from the box of crayons palette and put that all over my lips and see how it mixes with the red on top. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my Reptile look, my first Halloween look for this month for October for Halloween. If you try this, definitely let me know how it comes out. I'm super excited for Halloween, so I can't wait to see what my other looks are going to come out to. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. If you try it, I can't wait to see it. And yeah, so stay tuned for my next video. I don't know why I'm super excited. Maybe it's just because I love Halloween, but whatever. But thanks for watching, guys. I will see you again soon. Bye.